Okay, this is a Prosharp Advantedge. I want to show the grind ring to take it off. Got the door open. You turn the nut here counterclockwise and you pull the disc off. It has a 20mm hub. Here's a US quarter, a little bit larger than a quarter. This is a 1/2" 13mm ring. There's no ring on here. That's what, when you put it on, it kind of feels a little bit mushy, but that's to take probably some play out or something. And it's got to go up against this edge here. And so you have the flat side here. The label faces out toward the glass. You just push it on like that. And you may not have it on until you've got it snug down. So if you put this on, all of a sudden, boom, it'll be snug. And what's snug, the flat surface, machine surface, is up against the mandrel, like that. So that's a 1/2". This is the clamp here. I've got it open. That's self-centering. This edge will go toward that. This goes this way, and it self-centers the blade on the grind disc. This is actually an EP disc. Prosharp has made those roughly since about 2007 or 8 with original Skate Pal. Came out with a composite disc that you had to use a diamond, and then they came out with these pixie dust discs. This one here is a 1/2", which is really common. Undo this, pull it out, and this machine's brand new, so it took a little bit longer for me to kind of get used to doing this. This is a 1/2", 13mm. If I want to go to 3/8 here, that's a 5/8, 16mm. Let's put that one on. Again, you got the flat side toward the back, and you push it on. And I think the best way is to kind of just to get it to go. And then this, hold this with one hand, other one tighten the nut up. Then you've got the disc against the spindle surface, and take it off. Take out the disc. I found rocking it back and forth helps. Here's a 3/8" disc, 10mm. Put that one on. Now, if you don't have this on, it's going to be tightened up. It's going to be kind of like back wallowing around, which isn't good. So here's the nut. The thinner section is toward the wheel. Serrated patient out. Tighten it up. Good to go. So I'm going to put the 1/2" back on. Half-inch, 13mm. That's the radius of hollow, which is the curvature of this surface here. Of course, the blade is up into here, hanging down, and the grind disc with the pixie dust, whatever, grinds the blade. So when this is on here, you got to make this finger tight, so you snug this up. And there you go. That's about it. And so this is what I've been shooting into here like this. Got a flashlight in there to kind of just add the exposure. And that's the Prosharp Advantedge.